Alright guys, so here I'm going to show you how to replace the rear speakers on a 2006 Nissan Altima. I think it applies for the 2002s or whatever. Anyway, what you want to do is bring their seats down, the latch release on the back, and then slide this seat belt out of each respective hole, right? And then here on the side panels, there's, let me see if I can find them real quick. Nice bike. So, fudge. All right, so these are the side panels. They go up something like this in there. So it's gonna be like this. You pop off that centerpiece, right? And you can pry them off. It's really just got that clip right there, and that clip right there, and that clip right there. Okay, so with that, you should be able to pop both sides off. Another thing to do is that there's 6 bolts. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those need to be removed, and I'll show you that right now. So now I'm going to remove these. These are 12s. Remove all 6 of them. Make sure you keep track of them. Don't want to end up losing them, because good luck trying to find them. Do we need any of these? No. Do we need this guy? I mean, nope. Does it make life a whole of a hell lot easier? Absolutely. Ignore the rat's nest. I still got to install my 4-channel amp, and that's why. And once that 4-channel amp is installed, I'll focus on cleaning all this up, because I can clean up everything at once instead of in phases. So now that's loose. Okay, that's loose. Pry tool. You're gonna remove the backlight here, and that just pops off, and then there's this rotating third brake light, and the circle that goes right around here, that comes off. The little circle thing comes right off. Once again, that's what you're gonna need your pry tool for. Then you should be able to, let's see if I can do this one-handed. You should be able to pull up on this. There it is. There it is. Now it's releasing. And it's gonna be a lot of back and forth. You're gonna be going from one side to the other side, back to the other side. So just be prepared to be walking back and forth, but it's not too difficult. Oh, should not have pulled that off. All right, don't use this as a fulcrum. But actually that helped. Never mind, pull that off so you can get a grip on it. Fuck yeah. So now, because the seat belts are off this thing, you're able to pull it up and over. A lot of back and forth, guys. So now I'm able to let it slide down, and all I'm gonna do here is gonna rotate it over. There we go. Now we have access to the speakers. The bolts that are holding it are 8s. Those are 8s. So I punctured, you see where I punctured my speaker right there. I gotta fix that. That's what I'm here to do. I'm gonna take the whole thing out and repair it. Well, that's it, guys. Putting it back together is just a reverse of that. So just remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. I take those out first. And then the side panels. Side panel, then the third brake light, in the little circle thingy there. Make sure that these are out of the thing. Pry up to release the clips, which are these. And then you can fold the whole thing over, and there you go, you have access. Don't be a dumbass like me and pop a hole in there, because that'd just be bad. Alright guys, hope you found this useful. Make sure to like and subscribe. I got a bunch of other videos of shenanigans. Thanks.